Namaste, viewers. Welcome to ST Money's Morning News, your weekly business news channel. It is Monday morning, October 21, 2024, and I'm your host, Sunil Thakker of Sunny Talks Money. Let's roll. The stock market highlights from Friday, October 18, 2024. After three consecutive sessions of losses, the Sensex and the Nifty finally found some relief on October 18, buoyed by gains in banking and metal stocks. Equity benchmark indices rebounded in trade on Friday after 3 days of decline, after buying mainly in banks, financial services, and metal stocks. Excluding IT and FMCG, the remaining 11 major sectoral indices contribute to Nifty's recovery. At close, the NSE Nifty rose 104 points or 0.4% to 24,854. The Sensex was up 218 points or 0.3% at 81,224. It rebounded over 800 points in the day's trading session from its low of 80,409. The recent downturn in Indian indices was primarily triggered by persistent FII selling, weaker than expected earnings from marquee companies, and ongoing geopolitical concerns. Heavyweights such as Reliance Industries, Bajaj Auto, and TCS reported muted September quarter results, adding to the selling pressure in large caps. This week, the Nifty 50 slipped by 0.4%, while the Sensex edged down 0.2%. Axis Bank, Wipro, iShares Motors, ICICI Bank, and Shriram Finance were among the top gainers in the Nifty 50 pack. Infosys, Britannia Industries, Asian Paints were among the major laggards in the Nifty 50 pack yesterday. Broader markets also witnessed sharp recovery in October 18 trade, with Nifty Midcap 100 closing higher by 0.31% at 58,648. It snapped its two-day losing streak on Friday, while Nifty Small Cap 100 rebounded over 400 points to 19,077. Nifty Bank ended 1.57% higher at 52,094, with Axis Bank, ICICI Bank, Bank of Baroda, Canara Bank, and State Bank of India among the top gainers in the pack. Axis Bank shares surged nearly 6% as the top Nifty 50 gainer, driven by positive brokerage calls following its 18% year-on-year rise in Q2 net profit to 6,918 crore rupees. Wipro followed, up almost 4% after posting earnings that exceeded expectations, marking its first sequential revenue growth in 6 quarters. Axis Bank settled 5.75% higher at rupees 1,196 per share on the NSE. Most sectoral indices settled higher on Friday, with Nifty Metal, led by Tata Steel and Hindalco, gaining over 1.57% in trade on Friday to become the top sectoral gainer. Nifty Metal snapped its 4-day losing streak on Friday. The metals performed well, benefiting from a slightly better than expected growth in China's Q3 GDP. However, IT and FMCG stocks remained under pressure. The Nifty IT index dropped 1.4%, with Infosys, LTI Mindtree, and Tech Mahindra leading the decline. Infosys shares plunged as much as 5% after the company's Q2 earnings fell short of expectations. The Nifty FMCG index saw its third consecutive session of losses, following nearly 1%, dragged down by ITC, HUL, and Nestle. In the US on Friday, all three major indexes ended the week high. Technology stocks powered the Dow and the S&P 500 to fresh records on Friday. The Dow and the S&P 500 have risen for 6 consecutive weeks, the longest such streak since December 2023. The Dow Jones Industrial Average gained 0.09% or 37 points to 43,275. The S&P 500 rose 0.4% to 5,864 points, while the Nasdaq Composite added 0.6% to 18,489. Brent crude is trading at $73.34 a barrel. Gold is yet another record high, rupees 77,910 per 10 grams. Silver is 95,670 rupees per kilogram. Now, for today's outlook for the Indian market. The Nifty has moved up sharply after forming a panic bottom around 24,570, failing to sustain below 24,700. On the hourly chart, a positive divergence is visible on the RSI 14, indicating a shift towards positive price momentum. Immediate resistance is seen at 24,900, which previously acted as support. A decisive move above 24,900 could induce a short term rally. The trend is likely to remain strong as long as the Nifty stays above 24,750. That's it for today, folks. I'll see you again tomorrow morning. In the meantime, have a great day. Happy investing, stay inspired, and remember, it is all about money.